Hola amigos, Hannah from Speak Better Spanish here. Today we're going to be talking about how to treat words in Spanish that have a plural meaning but are singular grammatically. Great example of this is familia or gente. Both of those words have a meaning that implies multiple people, but the actual word itself is singular. How do we know? There's no S on the end. So we treat these words as if they were a singular word, because they are, right? As if it was him instead of people or family. So if we're going to use these words as a subject, then we're going to conjugate our verb to match up with a singular subject. For example, la gente hace mucho ruido. So the people make a lot of noise. Not la gente hacen. Not a plural conjugation because the actual word itself grammatically is singular, even though the meaning is plural. And this is always how we're going to categorize these verbs in Spanish. So the same thing if I wanted to say la familia es grande. Not la familia son grande, es singular because la familia itself is a singular word with no S on the end. So it's a simple trick, but it's definitely confusing if you haven't run into this before and you're not sure. So just keep that in mind. We look at the word, we determine whether it's singular or plural, and then we base our conjugations and the rest of our sentence on that. I hope this helps you guys. If it did, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios!